What are the characteristics of those entrepreneurs that you see who are able to build value at speed? I mean, some, and not take 10 years to do it.
Yeah. I have a lot of friends that have had that happen, several times. We've certainly had our share of luck, or, execution, with some of the companies I've started. But, I think that the common thing is basically having, a real kind of goal in mind and just making every decision towards a goal. And that goal could be exit. That goal could be, $100 million of revenue. So if you're sitting here again, Blake's spreadsheet, empty office, and you don't know exactly what you're aiming towards, and you're going to kind of like zigzag all over the place trying to find product market fit. But if your goal is to, hit $100 million in revenue in 24 months, then there's a lot of things that you shouldn't be doing. Folks there you shouldn't be having, you should hire certain types of people, raising capital from certain types of people that are all going to kind of facilitate you towards that goal. So I think it's really kind of that single-minded focus towards one goal. And it's not, often building the best mousetrap. It's not often identity metrics of the most eyeballs or the, most viral video. It's really about saying, my goal is to hit this, and here's what's going to happen. So I think that's been a big part of it. And the second part of that is often having, the right, kind of pieces around the table of humans, and those could be employees and founders that complement you. It could be, advisors that have kind of grown companies 1 or 2, 3 stages past where you are today. But knowing the next, mile or two of road and what they're going to look like, and so you can kind of preempt that stuff. Because the one thing that, creates speed bumps often is just not having the right people, the right seat size, the right amount of capital, or again, not, knowing exactly which way to turn. So if you've got that like really strong internal compass of here's where we need to go, other people around you that have been there and say, here's the direction you need to go. And you just, focus on that. I mean, I know it's very general, but I think some people don't know if they want to start a bootstrap company, or a company go public, or something to get sold, or a company to make a lot of revenue, right? Those are all different goals. But I think having like one of those goals often can be a better approach of moving faster.